Hey man, we at 908 Cherokee, Joey Smith and his wife, and they want us to do they want to do frontal roof, but they don't want to do the back. They're saying that just to do the repairs, so we're gonna try to do a repair today. Here's one of the shingles we're gonna be repairing. Dude, that sucker broke. Well, I ain't did nothing but put the flat bar under it. That's alright, it's a broke shingle anyway, so. This roof's just brittle. It ain't got no granules on it. And, it's so brittle. Man, that shingle broke right there with just the flat bar being under it. It's alright, I'm gonna keep moving. I'm gonna try to go up one more. And this thing is really so brittle that, I mean, look at that one. It broke. I'm trying to take it out. That sucker broke just when I touched it, trying to take it out. Man. Now when I lifted that one up, it actually separated the laminate on the next shingle up. Like, you know, where that glue line's not gonna be proper. I'm telling you, man, it's hard to repair these old ass roofs like this. Man, that sucker got a little tear in it just by touching it. So I mean, this thing just doesn't pass. That sucker tore when I touched it. So, as you see, I mean, to get up here and try to, they had a shingle count on the back, and it wasn't correct. There's a lot more damaged shingles than what they said. But what I am trying to say is, it's going to be hard to repair. You know, these old ass shingles like this. That's the one we were trying. See how far I went? And I mean, even it's tore, so that one's got to come out too, but I'm still gonna, you know, try to do the repair. Back up to this one. What do I do? Dude, I barely lifted on that, and you can see where the laminate just come on the glue. And don't get me wrong, I might be able to, you know, glue that back together, but I mean, that put a hole in it right there. So what we're trying to tell you is, this roof just too brittle and old to try to repair, man. Look at that one, barely slid my bar under there. I don't know if that was the same tear or not, maybe it was. But I mean, where's it gonna stop? And this is just taking the shingles out. I ain't even started trying to put the shingles in yet. So look, we're gonna go ahead and stop the video for now, and then we're gonna go get some new shingles, try to put them in.